Yeah, the milk cereal silver. I'll be just going detecting today a little bit. Don't have too much time. Get through this park here. Kind of bumpy. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, it's Thompson Thompson Park. Pretty old park. I've been here before many times. Try to detect this corner here. Alright, get back to you. Did that by the they excavated all that hillside. I'm gonna try to hit that. Alright, get back to you. Silver just found a nickel. I don't know how old it is, but it's pretty red. Doing this excavating and put over there by the tennis courts there, down here, down that hill. Mostly it was junk before, but I'll see what I can dig here. Yeah, there's still about 2 memorials. One was almost, if that one's probably a newer one. This one's a green one. It's older. Right by this gate here. Yeah, Mr. Silver found another nickel underneath this rock. Pulled that rock up and it was right there. Alright, get back to you. You can find something else. And Mr. Silver just found him disabled veteran tag. Cincinnati High. Found a lot of them before. Alright, better get back with you. Yeah, Mr. Silver found a Boy Scout pin. They expect that. Yeah. Alright, get back to you. Yeah, Mr. Silver found another nickel. Must be nickel day today. Yeah, Mr. Silver found a slave tag. Ha! No, I don't know what it is. Probably a 17 is on it. Alright, let's get back with you. Yeah, it's easy egg digging. Mr. Silver just found a ring. Look a little smash, but it's a ring. It's pretty neat. Right by the fence there. Not even probably a foot from the fence. Not even that. Alright, we'll get back to you. Yeah, I have to clean it up and see what it is. Probably silver. Looks silver to me. Alright, get back to you. Mr. Silver found another nickel. That's easy digging. I don't know. Maybe the tennis court didn't have too much change. Alright, get back to you. Yeah, Mr. Silver found a weight. Not even half-inch deep. Alright. Found another weight. Another weight. Found another nickel. Not even an inch underneath the ground. Alright, get back to you. Yeah, that's a memorial. Brought from the plow. It was sitting right there like that. Alright. Yeah, another surface spine. Yeah, memorial. Alright. Yeah, this sir just found another week. Shit, dropped it. Yeah, about another week. Is on this hillside here. Yeah, find this silver house key. Okay, get back to you. Yeah, this is over. Just found another weight. About 4 inches deep. Mr. Silver's home. Found 4 wheats. 1950 7D, 44, 1920, 1950 7D again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 nickels, 2 dimes. 13 pennies, Boy Scout pin, I found that one first, and then I found this one second, and put on video. An American Corpse badge, and that ring. It's sterling, but no markings on it. I think it's sterling though. I'll have to straighten it out. I think got hit by the bulldozer. Alright, and a key and slave tag. And I don't know what that piece of metal is. Alright, happy hunting. See you next time.